everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am so humbled to host you all the time. I hope you're following me on my Instagram. The handle is the same, it's Zinzi Official, and I posted a reel about this cute hairstyle that I made the other day, and I didn't know how cute it was until I got responses from you guys. So I want to say thank you for the support. And I have had this for a week. As you can see, it's like well grown out. The roots are looking juicy now, and it's time for me to actually take it off. But I thought it should go out with a bag, you know. So I put together this nude look for you. So if you're here to see how I put that together, please stay and watch on. But before you do, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. You need to know when I post the next and the newest content so that we can come and gather here for the tea. And let's get watching. Quick reminder, everybody, please use primer for your makeup. Unfortunately, I am proper obsessed now with milk of magnesia for my very oily skin. It works all the time, so I think I'm going to stick with it for a while. The other thing I'm trying to get used to is eyebrow pencils. Yeah. What I found helpful then is to have to use brown and black pencils together. So you want to use your black at the tail of your brows and then the brown at the beginning of your brows. That's to help you not to have like stencil, too bold, too dark type of eyebrows. These ones still came out a little bit more bold than I would have wanted them to, but I think with time and practice I'll get it right. Brow brush is your friend, guys. It helps you spread your product and have more natural looking and filled eyebrows. I hope you noticed here that under my eyebrows I used concealer, which is lighter than my shade, and on top of my brows I actually used my foundation. So that's how it's blending out way easier than using concealer both on bottom and on top of your eyebrows. In trying to use as minimal amount of foundation as possible, you maybe want to use a primer that you will set exactly on your blemishes. That will help to blot them out much easier or way better than layering a lot more foundation. So that's what I'm doing here. I just used my e.l.f. Blemish Control primer, set it right on top of all my blemishes, and you will see the difference as you place your foundation, the blemish just easily disappear. At this point, I should probably buy a palette where I place my foundation and a concealer, because I use the back of my hand and I always have extra. So in this technique, it's helpful because I just use that extra foundation and I place it on top of my blemishes that I've already primed, And then the idea is that when I then use my either foundation brush or beauty blender to apply my foundation, you have good texture or continuity of your skin and not have to layer up more foundation. The thoughts in my head were for a look that you can go for every day. So sometimes you don't have time to perfect your brow, so you can just use your pencil, brush it out, and then you don't have time to nicely layer your foundation, so you attack only your blemishes and then you go on for the rest of your face. So you see that I didn't go full blown for this look, so just remember that it was something that you can, like, a go-to look for every day. In the same vein of using minimal amounts of product on your face, I went for small amounts of concealer too. So just a bit to dab on your chin, top of your lips, under your eyes, or wherever you need brightening, but like not too much, but just enough to show that you did something on your face. Enter into the non-judgmental zone, guys. I am attempting contouring. I'm still working on it. I get the general sense and general idea of what I'm supposed to do, but I guess with trial and effort, you get better with time. And so I picked two shades from my blush palette. The bronze I use as a bronzer, and the pink I use as the blush. So I always mix the two so that I add warmth to my face and a dash of rosy pink cheeks. My suggestion for this nude look is to pick on 3 colors. So you start off with your dark shade. I went for that brown, the chocolatey brown, and then I picked on a sunset or like a mustard yellow. That will be your blending out color from under your eyebrows into your dark shade, and then your lightest shade will be the one that you place on top of your eyelids. I picked on white. Hey guys, so as you watch me blend off all of my colors, please subscribe to my channel if you hadn't yet, and if you have, you may want to click on the notification bell as well. That helps you know as soon as I upload new content. You stay updated and we communicate, you give feedback, and I try to answer all your questions as much as I can. My goal is to let out and give out as much information as I know, because I just want us all to win, you know. There's so much space for us at the top, so I'm just here to share as much as I can, as much as I know, and I'm always open to correction as well. So if you feel that I can benefit with something that you know better than I do, please feel free to share as well in the comment section below, and trust I'll reply you. So now that I have kind of blended out all the colors and I have concluded where my white placement will be, I pick on the brown brush again and just round off the corner of my eye so that I close it off, as you see what I'm doing over there. And then I decided that my white was not bright enough, so I picked on a different palette that I haven't used in a long time, and I just try to place on some more white to make that lid brighter. But otherwise, if you're fine with what I have already, then you can stop right there, or you can make any other adjustment as you see fit. While we are all here, guys, I just want to thank you so much for your support. Just know that I am always so grateful and I'm so humbled by your support. I am so humbled by the time you take out of your busy days to watch me and engage with me too. Guys, I absolutely love Juvia's Place highlighters, and I will always find a reason to have it on. I mean, I had bronzed out, so I didn't put too much of it, but I always want to have it. The last spot though to fix before I go into my hair was my eyebrows. I needed the beginning of my eyebrows where I use my brown pencil liner to be a little less dense, so I tried to brush it out, but yeah, it was kind of too late. So that's the reason why I say let's use brown pencil at the beginning of your brows so that you don't have brows kind of like mine. But I like them anyway, it's fine. And so this is the hairstyle that I wish to go out in a bang, with a bang. I hope you like it. This was my very last look with the hairstyle. I've absolutely fallen in love with this combination of mustard, brown, and white. I feel it's a look on your eyelids that can do wonders for any outfit, for any setting, formal, casual, business, play, except for glitz and glam, of course, where you want to do something a little bit more. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this and stay tuned for the next one. Thank you. Toodles.